Hello chess lovers, Suren is here again with another spectacular game for you. With the white piece is playing Frank Marshall and his opponent is Amos. The game was played at 1907 Ostend Championship. Marshall started with d4 and knight f6 by Byrne, knight f3, d6, bishop f4, knight d7, e3, g6, bishop d3, bishop g7, knight d2, black castles kingside, and here we go, the h-pawn marches forward. Rook e8, but the h-pawn is unstoppable. h5, Marshall is sacrificing a pawn, and after knight takes h5, here comes the logical continuation of that sacrifice. This time he's going for an exchange sacrifice. Rook takes h5. The idea is that he's weakening black's kingside, and after g takes h5. Believe it or not, but this is not enough. Here comes another sacrifice. Bishop takes h7. This is just insane. Marshall had hardly developed his pieces, but already we are seeing a lot of fireworks on the board. King takes h7, which is losing on the spot. Well, king f8 could have prolonged the game and then playing knight f6 and bishop g4, but instead we see king takes h7. Here comes the knight g5 check, also opening the queen's diagonal. King g6, black king is protecting the pawn on h5. By the way, if we move like king h6, then simply knight takes f7, winning the queen. That's why we see king g6, but now comes the second knight f3, e5, knight h4 check, king f6, knight h7 check, king e7. Well, if king e6, then simply d5 followed by knight f5 checkmate. That's why after knight h7 black played king e7, but these knights are simply chasing black king. Knight f5 check, king e6, knight takes g7 check. Look at this mighty cavalry. Actually, instead of capturing on g7, playing d5 straight away was also playable, but a free piece is always a good idea. We first see knight takes g7, then knight f5, and after king e6, here comes d5. Marshall is sacrificing his knight on f5, because after king takes f5, the queen jumps on h5 square with a tempo by giving a check. King e4, and believe it or not, but in this position, Marshall castled queenside and black resigned. What a beautiful idea. You are castling queenside and your opponent is resigning. The idea is that now he's protecting the pawn on d5 and is threatening f3 checkmate. Of course, black can prolong his life by playing queen g5, but white can simply play f3 and then queen takes g5, and this is a checkmate. A very beautiful game, I think. Hardly Marshall managed to develop his pieces, but already he started to sacrifice them, and soon black king found himself entangled in a mating net. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your comments. Good luck.